Um, yeah, man. This is our weekly Q&A live Saturdays. Yeah, man. So welcome, you guys. You get to ask us questions about the products, and we let you guys know, and you get to ask you guys what you guys like about the products, and you get to win some stuff, and we all have a good time for a little while, and you know, keep it going. All right. So I'm Nigel. This is my wife Jessica,
Hey.
and we've been in business. Our business is Nigel's Jamaican Almond World. We sell almond oil that made from Jamaican almonds. We sell moringa oil. We sell beard oil. We sell sugar scrubs, body butters, lip
Lip balm,
butters,
moringa
moringa
oil.
oil, all skincare stuff. All right. So we've been in business for about 8 years now.
Hey, Ronnie.
Hey Ronnie, welcome, welcome. Yeah, man. We started in 2012 back in Jamaica, and now we're here in America, and we're still going. All right. So our products base have Jamaican almond oil in them, and Jamaican almond oil is wonderful for the skin. It moisturizes the skin. It helps with dry skin, itchy skin, eczema, psoriasis. It's for babies. It helps with like diaper rash, cradle cap, heat rash. Welcome, Peggy. Welcome. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're just getting started, and just introducing ourselves and the products for anyone that might come, for any first timer that may come along. Yeah, so I was saying that the almond oil, it helps with like for babies, diaper rash, heat rash, cradle caps. It also can be used as a natural sunscreen. The almonds have 60% zinc and magnesium. A lot of times I'll get asked, customers will ask me um, if it's a sunscreen, like it can be used for sunscreen, what's the SPF? And I will explain by saying there's no SPF because the SPF in sunscreen comes from zinc oxide, which is man made, but the zinc that comes from the earth is natural. So that's the zinc that's in the almond oil. So therefore, there is no SPF. You just use it at your discretion. You know, you put it on, and you feel like you need some more, then you put it on. Put on some more. There is no limit to what amount you can use. It won't make you feel greasy or anything like that because the molecules in the oil, they're smaller than those in our hair, nails, and skin. And we also make body butters, sugar scrub, and all of our other products have. Welcome, welcome, Tree Tree. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right, so let's welcome everybody.
Yeah, man.
Yes, everybody
Welcome.
rolled
Hello.
all in.
Yeah,
Hey,
man.
how y'all doing?
Good, good.
Hi. Hello, hello.
Yeah, man. Good to see you
Yes,
guys.
Hello.
Yeah, man.
yay,
Welcome.
yay. So let's see who we got on the line. We got Ronnie. Yay, hey, Ronnie.
Yeah,
Ronnie's
man.
out in
Hey.
California. We
Yeah.
have Miss Peggy. Yes, Peggy J.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Out in, where are you, Miss Peggy?
I'm in Georgia.
In Georgia. Okay. And then we have Sister Trina in
California.
California.
Daughter.
Yes. Yes. Uh-oh, Trina,
Trina's
you gotta
you
unmute
there. Unmute
yourself.
yourself.
So, coming to you live from Riverside, California.
Okay.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
man.
So welcome, welcome. We're glad to see you guys this week. Thank you for being with us. We're gonna wait a couple more seconds, see if a couple more people come on the line. And Nigel was just introducing and telling what we make and what we've made so far
Yeah, yeah.
over the years. And it's really exciting. We actually we're looking just yesterday and we're like, wow, we're coming up with so many different aromas and different products. And I mean, we've been working with rosemary and chamomile and just all different
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
pumpkin and all kind of little yummy flavors.
Coffee.
The coffee, oh, coffee.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. So we've been doing some real fun experimenting. So with that being said, we're going to clear out all of our boxes. So all of our boxes after this weekend, I'm hoping that we're able to clear them out by this weekend. So through, let's say through Monday night, we're going to clear out all of our boxes. And so we won't have any boxes
We don't have that
available on
much
our site.
anyway. We don't have
Yeah.
that much left anyway.
We won't have any more boxes on our site until
Wow.
November 1st. And
Oh,
November
Mm.
1st, we're going to come with some new flavors for you. So,
okay.
so
Okay.
get the mangoes and the lime and lavender, get them all while you can because we're getting ready to make some new changes.
Okay.
Wow. Okay,
Body
Trina.
butter.
That's the lavender.
So
Yeah, man.
Trina,
Yeah.
you were one of the first people to try the body butter. Whenever we started making it about maybe a year ago,
Yeah.
and I had a lot of failed attempts. I mean, a lot. People were getting the body butter, and there was oil on one side and butter on the other, and it was just.
Okay.
Remember, Trina? Do you
Mhm.
remember? Yeah.
I vaguely remember. Vaguely. I wasn't in it like that.
Really?
So
Yeah. So
I love it. Oh
well,
my
well,
God, I
we
love it.
finally mastered our recipe.
Uh,
So tell us what is it that you love about it? What do you love about it?
uh, to me, it, okay, when I use it, for some reason, it's not like regular, you know, lotions or whatever. It makes your skin I feel clean. You know what I'm saying?
mm,
After showered or whatever. I mean, when you use it, it makes your skin feel so soft. It feels good.
Yeah,
Okay.
you feel good.
It really feels good. I love it
Amen.
yeah, I
Amen.
would categorize it as a luxury product.
very much. And I've been to
Yeah.
spas, but this is really up there with the best. It
Thank
really
I
you.
is.
agree.
Thank you.
I agree. And it doesn't make it feel any of your skin feel too sticky
Oily.
or
Greasy.
dry.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. It's
Everybody's frozen.
Yeah. Are we frozen too?
No, we're
Yeah.
not frozen. Uh,
It definitely lasts. You know, it feels good. It really does. It's very soft. It's and creamy. You know, it's like butter. You know,
Like
what can
butter,
I
baby.
say? Without the oil. You know,
Yeah, the
Wow.
It feels
consistency is
good. It's
perfect.
very smooth.
I don't
Very
exactly,
smooth.
exactly.
it only took you a year to perfect it. It takes some people years to perfect their craft and years to perfect their baby.
thank
It's like your baby, you
It,
know?
it really is. It really is. Do any of you have any questions about the products?
Well, I took you up on it. I use that with the oils. Those are going to be my favorite products. You
Mhm.
know, the body butter and the oils. So I'm hooked.
Amen. Amen.
Can you talk to us about the cell structure of the oils and the cell structure of the human cell? Because that's so important to get that concept of how it gets into the skin,
Oh,
penetrating
okay.
into the skin. Talk to us about that, Nigel, please.
Okay, so the body is all protein. It's all protein molecules, right? Here, excuse me. Here, nails and skin. Okay, so the oil, especially like the almond oil, is a nut, right? Nut has protein molecules also. Now, the difference between the protein molecules in the skin and the ones in the almond, they're smaller than those in our hair, nails, and skin. So the larger molecules absorb the smaller ones. So that's why you don't feel greasy or anything like that, and it absorbs into the skin. So especially like if you have dry skin, is because your skin is dehydrated. So when you put that oil on you, especially while the body is moist, the body is gonna absorb all the skin is gonna absorb all those moisture, those molecules with the moisture and all that, and just lock it right into the skin. So um, I hope that does that answer your question.
Yes.
So our
Absolutely.
skin is larger than the nut itself, which has a smaller molecules. So
Yeah.
our larger cells actually take in those smaller cell molecules, and that's how it's able to lock on in. Because
Yes.
it's a wonderful
Yes.
feeling.
It
It
body
is.
It
and
really is.
It really
rehydrate the
is.
skin. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think that's just so important for the user to know how it happens for them, because that's the magic in it all. That's the reason for it all. So I know when my skin looks dry head to toe, I just throw some oil on,
There
and
you go.
it lasts.
And
And then
then
It does that. You don't need a whole lot. You do
you don't.
not need you don't need a whole lot. You don't.
Mm-mm.
Nope.
Just a little bit goes a long way.
Yes, it
I was
does.
just about to say a little bit goes a long way. Yes, it does.
what's nice is you can use it on your skin, and there's nothing else in it other than the almonds.
And an almond is
It's
food.
pure.
So it's made from food, basically. So yeah.
Absolutely. I appreciate not going to Bed Bath and Beyond. Well, not what's the other store where you get the
Bath and body.
Yes,
Bath and body.
forget it. Forget it. I'm so done.
Yeah, me too.
Done with that. Well, let me ask you guys the new product. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. So you have this nice bath bomb, and you got these oils and whatever. Candles.
Welcome, Aunt Peggy.
Welcome. There's that Peggy. Hey, we got Peggy J and Peggy Z now.
Hey,
Yay.
hey.
Yeah,
So, Miss Peggy, candles. We would love to make candles. Because we love candles, especially me. And we right now we we can't.
I know, but maybe later.
Maybe later.
Yeah,
Maybe
okay.
later.
Well, I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Because everything smells good, and that's just like, if I just had this one thing, and it's just like, especially
Okay.
like today. Okay, we got all this rain coming, and that would just be, oh wow.
Yeah, to have, but there is a lady that I get my candles from, and she's amazing. The name of the candles. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna.
Just text it. Just send it to my email.
But I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna put it on Facebook. Everything.
Oh, okay.
This lady, her candles are supreme. They
Seriously.
are really, really good. They're really good. If we have a second through this, I'll look her up. Her last name is Porter. She lives in Leesburg. So if she's watching this live on Facebook, please chime in, sister, because your candles are the best. So yeah, my friend Tammy turned me on to those. So we'll let her handle the candles.
Okay.
So Aunt Peggy, welcome. How are you? Good to see you. You're looking beautiful.
Yeah. Hi, Peg.
Oh, yes,
You're muted.
You're right.
Am I muted?
No,
Aunt Peggy.
Aunt Peggy's muted. Mother-in-law Peggy, there you're good. Wait,
No, you're muted.
now you're muted.
Everybody's
Both
muted.
Peggy's were muted.
Okay, you're good.
Okay, now, Peggy Johnson. There
Okay.
you go. Okay,
Okay,
don't touch
and
again.
now Aunt Peggy has to
Good job. Good
unmute.
job.
Okay.
Okay, so she'll get it. She'll get it. Okay.
Oh, she's muted.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
She's gonna figure it out.
To the lower right.
Where's Elmer?
Okay, we missed. Some.
Okay, so while Peggy gets her mic on, we are going to show you the boxes that we're discontinuing. Okay,
Yes.
Oh
so that
no.
everybody knows what's going on and what we're doing here with all the boxes. So I keep looking because I want to make sure that there isn't anybody in the waiting room because this is for some reason.
Got it.
Oh, there she
There you
is.
go. There
Hi,
she.
Peg.
There she
Hi.
is.
Yeah, man.
I am Peggy.
Hi, everybody.
Good to
Hello.
see you.
Welcome,
Yay. Good to see you're on. Okay, so we're going to get you caught up real quick. We are working on so many amazing new flavors like eucalyptus and coffee and all kind of little yummy flavors. So we're discontinuing
Oh,
all of our boxes. So all of our boxes
Oh,
are going to be discontinued so that it gives us a chance to breathe and then bring out the new boxes for you.
okay.
So we're going to show you the boxes that are currently on special, and Nigel was like, please don't do any more because I'm running out. So I said, please honey, just a few more boxes and that's it. You know, it's we want to run out so that we can get our new boxes started. So let's see what we got here. Where's the sheet?
Oh, I left it
In the
right
shop?
side. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I need the sheet, but you
that's
probably
okay. While
remember.
he's going to go get the sheet, I'll say something. Go ahead.
Okay, go get the thank you, Trina.
You know what I like to see? I love seeing on Facebook how you guys post. You're in the workshop and then you speak it up or you put music to it. I'm like, hey, in the morning I turn it on, I'm waiting for the music, and you guys are just moving in the workshop, and it speeds up real fast, like you guys are real, and then slows down. Yay! I'm like, hey, if we could only move like that in real life, I would do all
Right.
right. Real fast day one, and then the other 4 days I'd coast.
That video was 32 seconds, and that video was filmed over 4 hours.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. So I just sat the camera up and we just worked. So
And you
Having
clipped it to 30
fun.
seconds. That's marketing. Okay.
You know I have a counter of product just the 2 times I've been here. I've got me a nice little stack.
collection.
Array.
It's only temporary, so I knew something else was coming, but I didn't want to run out of what I have.
Right.
So I'm
Right.
good. When I say I'm good, I'm real good. But
Right.
I know
Right.
by the time I use this, it's like I don't want to run out.
Right. Right. And you've gotten a lot. You've gotten a lot of yeah.
I'm hooked.
Okay.
In a short period of time.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So all of our boxes, they come like this, so they make great gifts. If you have someone that you want to, send a gift to, you can buy it and then put their address as the shipping address. And then if you leave us a note, we'll go ahead and put a note in there saying happy birthday or whatever it is that you want us to write. So they all come like this with the little stuffing. Sometimes my husband overstuffs them.
I like that.
I
touch.
love my stuffing. I love it.
I like the touch.
Yes.
I do
Yeah.
too.
Thank you.
More presentable.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
it's
like
nice to give.
I save the stuffing and I use them in other gifts.
Nice. Oh, we
It's
love
like,
hearing
it's
that.
like a party in
Yes.
a box. It's a party in a box. You got the
Really nice.
colorful. You know what I'm saying?
I love
Yes,
it.
thank you. Thank you.
I need to send a box to my tenant. She's such a sweetheart.
Oh,
probably
what a
need
nice,
to-
how nice
Yeah,
that
I
would
have
be.
another property with a tenant. She would love this. Oh boy.
Okay,
You could eat
okay.
it for a long time too.
Okay.
Okay,
With the family.
this one was called the summer spa kit, and then I changed the name to the fall spa kit, but it's all the same.
Summer
So
or fall.
in,
Okay.
in this, you're gonna get two 1 ounce sugar scrubs, two 1 ounce body butters, a
Oh,
4 ounce foot scrub, and a 1 ounce,
Almond
a
oil.
full bottle of Nigel's Jamaican almond oil.
Oh, that's a
So
nice.
it kind of gives them a little taste of everything. And this box is $40. But if you were to buy this separately, I mean,
$40.
yeah, just
Wow, that's really
just
good.
just the oil
Oh,
alone retails
that,
for $30.
that's what I was gonna say. That's a big bottle.
Can I
I
get
don't
two
know
of
what
those, please?
happened, but I couldn't hear you. What? How much is that box,
This
Jessica?
one is $40,
Shut
but
the front door.
if you retailed it, it would be the
Oil alone is
oil
30.
alone is 30.
Forget it,
So
ladies. How many boxes do you have? I need all of them. No, I'm just
okay. Okay, well, I have the inventory set, so go on there, and when they're gone, they're gone. So, okay,
oh,
so that's the summer fall. It's the fall spa kit on the site, and that's that one. Okay, the next one.
It's six
Nope,
pack.
this one is already sold out.
Oh, this is a.
Yeah, this is the
what,
Which
six.
what
one?
was
what
it?
was it?
It was the 6 pack of the
Oh, the
round
bath
bath
bomb.
bomb.
Ah,
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
this one was $15. Um, one lady
wow,
bought
how did I miss that?
7. So this one is
Wow, it
gone.
wasn't me, y'all.
It wasn't you. No, it was
Not
Lindsay
this
because
time.
she has her kids and they love the bath bombs. So whenever I saw that she got 7 boxes, I was so happy.
Dang.
And
Goodness.
I even threw some more in there for them because I know those
Oh,
kids. She has 3 kids and they have eczema, so she uses for
Oh,
eczema
wow.
bath for them. Yeah, so
Wow.
I was so happy when I saw
Very
that she got
nice.
7. I was like, yes.
Okay.
Deb, I
Okay.
bought
It's
those
nice.
little baby bath bombs, and I
Yeah.
little baggies, and I given them to some children I know for their Halloween treat instead of candy.
Oh,
Oh, how
yes.
nice.
And
That's a
I
nice
bought little
idea.
Halloween.
No
Yeah,
candy.
and
That's
they
very
get
nice.
so much candy. They are
Yeah.
like the bombs before. They're gonna love the unicorns and the
Oh,
dinosaurs. A little boy and a little girl.
Oh,
So
how nice.
That's so
Yes.
nice.
wow.
Okay, so
No, Jessica, no skin.
our next box is a big one. Which one is this?
His and
Okay,
hers.
this is the his and her spa bundle. Let me make sure nobody's
Oh,
in the
yeah, that's
waiting
a
room.
lot of product.
Hold
Wow.
on. Okay. So the his and her spa bundle, it has a bottle of beard and mustache oil, and we learned a couple weeks ago you can use it on your hair. It just smells a little manly. So, but Nigel's making hair oil. That's
You
Nigel's
can wash
making
it
hair
out.
oil. Look,
Hair oil time.
so put this.
hey, I
So,
have the
Oh, no,
almond
no, we don't
oil
hide.
in my hair.
no, you're not gonna hide.
Did you say hair, Peggy?
I have the almond oil on my hair. I'm letting
Yeah.
the breeze come in, and it got dry, and it made it real nice.
It,
So
it,
Nice.
it, it is.
I
It's
use it for hair
smooth.
too.
It's
I
very
use
Yeah.
it for
smooth.
hair,
yeah,
scalp.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's a beard and mustache oil, one of those. You're going to get two Nigel's Jamaican almond oil because you know that your mate always steals yours. So you're going to get 2 of them.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay.
okay, then you're going to get a meringue seed oil, which we know we
Yes.
love that to prevent those little pesky wrinkles. And then you're going to get a small sugar scrub, a large body butter, and a large foot scrub. So there's a lot going on in that one. That one is the his and her spa bundle is $90.
That's
And
a lot of product.
I already remember this one. I think this is actually $147 worth of product. So
Wow.
like
Wow.
I said, when the boxes are gone, they're gone. We're redoing them. So, and it'll come like this, all, with the stuffing. So you could send it to anybody, and it'll look just like this.
Wow,
Okay,
that's
so then the next one. Oh yeah.
That's the mango.
Okay.
My favorite.
So this one is the mango
Yes.
madness moisture box.
I love
And
that.
Trina's gonna pass out. This one is $25.
Shut the front door.
Okay.
Trina
My
passed out.
favorite.
Trina's
back.
Trina's our
Please don't buy them all. I want one. Please, Trina.
Trina's our silent, not so silent partner. So I know after this call, Trina's going to be calling me saying, Jessica, are you really, can we really afford to be doing this? So
I've been getting mad, y'all.
don't,
Getting mad.
don't worry, Trina. Don't
Why are
worry.
you giving away our stuff?
Okay, so with the Mango Madness box, we ran out of the round bombs, so you're gonna get one of the jumbo bombs in this one.
Wow.
You get one of the jumbo bombs in here, the ones that are 4.5 ounces.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, and then you're gonna get a full sugar scrub.
Oh my.
Full sugar scrub, half ounce. Oh yeah, hold it for me, honey. Oh yeah, that feels good. Okay, a half ounce of almond oil, and then what else? Small body butter, and we're changing our lip balms to look like this.
Oh, nice.
Love it.
Very nice.
Nice.
We wanted it to be hands-free. So
I like
I love the little cans, but you had to dig your finger in the can, and
Yes.
You
That's
know-
what I was.
This one is
I have a tool that I have to dig in there, but your
Well-
lips feel fabulous.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah.
So, but now we have the tubes, and we're gonna have different color tubes and different.
I like
Oh,
that.
wow.
Yeah. So,
the black
oh
one.
yeah, we're gonna be doing the black tubes. So,
Nice.
That's nice.
sexy.
BLM.
Okay, so you'll get one of these because we don't have any more cans, so you'll get one of the new tubes. So that's the mango. What is that?
Moisture.
The mango moisture box for $25.
Oh my goodness.
I love it.
The
Mag-
first
Nice.
product you
Oh,
showed.
the Mango Madness moisture box. Who
The
comes up with
jumbo-
these names?
Say that real fast.
Right.
Mango
Okay, so the next box is
Be kind about it.
oh, the Be Kind box. This box is really loaded. And I made this box, I named this box because I was like, we have to be kind to ourselves before
yeah.
we're able to freely be kind to everyone else. So this is like a super self-care box.
Yeah. This
So this one is loaded.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh, okay.
She's
So
giving us. She's throwing
This
them
one,
into
right, I'm gonna
catch
throw it through
them.
the screen, right?
A little harder. Yeah.
Right, so with this one, you're gonna get 2 body butters. You're gonna get 2 sugar scrubs.
Wow.
You're gonna get 1 beard oil. Oops. 1 beard oil. 1 almond oil.
Oh,
1 meringue oil.
Oh,
Get
my.
a lip balm. You're gonna get a foot scrub. You're gonna get a bath bomb. The red,
Oh,
gold,
love
and
it.
green.
Wow.
Yes. So this box is 110, but I don't know the
170.
170, somewhere around there. It's on the site, but it's deeply discounted because we want to go ahead and move all these boxes out. We only have a limited amount of them. So that brings us to the fun part of our show.
No, we have one.
Okay.
Oh, we have one more box?
Yeah.
Oh, geez. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, give me the next box.
That's right, Nigel.
I was ready to give one away. He keeps me straight.
Yeah.
He keeps me straight. So here's you would have gotten an email and it'll have all of them on there too. Okay, so last but not least, we have the mango head to toe. I know this is head to
Yes,
toe something.
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah,
I
I love this
One
box
of my
too.
favorites.
Question. Let me ask you a quick question. You said you personally named the Be Kind box. Who is naming the other boxes? I thought you were naming all of them.
Oh, I am.
Okay, because you sound like you sounded
why
like
she
I named
remembered
this one,
that
like
she
you didn't
named.
name the others. You're confusing me, Jess.
That's the one she remembered that she named.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that clarification.
You want to know who else was in on this, Trina?
Yeah, like who
Yeah, I hear you,
did it?
Trina. That's right. She's checking.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so now we have the foot to toe, the head to toe box.
Yeah, mango head to toe.
Mango head to toe box. And this one, you're gonna get 4 ounces of body butter. The body butter, whew, yummy. Okay, 4 ounces of sugar scrub. 4 ounces of foot scrub. This one is so heavy. This is so heavy because it has that Himalayan salt in it. And then 2 ounces of Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. You know you can't just have one. So this box is $45.
What?
This box.
Who's pricing this stuff? What the hell's really going on? Hello, Jessica, Nigel. Oh wait, I know you guys are still on the call, but I didn't talk to you. In my high pitched voice.
That's why we only have a limited amount of these. So this one is $45, and Trina has me thinking now. This one is $45, and these 2 bottles alone are $60.
Wait, I gotta go. I gotta place my order. See y'all later.
So those are all the boxes. They're on sale.
The last one now. What was that one?
The last one is the
Head to toe.
the mango head to toe.
Right. That's right.
So let me go over all the ones we have. We have the His and Her Spa bundle for $90. We have the Be Kind box for $110. We have the mango head to toe box for $45. We have the
Don't you buy those all, Trina. Don't buy all those mango now.
Let me make my notes. Hold on.
we have the fall spa kit.
Wait, slow
for
down. Hold
$45.
on.
And all of you would have gotten an email. It's in the email that you got this morning saying the boxes are going away, so it's very easy. And all of these boxes you can use on Afterpay. So you can shop now, pay later. It's interest free. So all of these boxes are available on there. And so, all right. So with all that being said, comes my favorite part of the broadcast, and that's the giveaway. Okay, is it giveaway time? No, we only been on for a little while. We're not giving. It's not giveaway time yet, is it?
Are you teasing us?
All right, Trina. I went and got my credit card and my phone.
Oh, dude, no, she did. Wait a minute.
So,
I gotta go and find mine.
so let me ask everybody, do you have any questions about our products? I wonder if there's anybody even on Facebook, because we really want to be here, not to just show you what we have, but we want to know what questions you have. What do you want to know about us and how we make the products and anything that you want to know, because this is about you and what what's here for you.
Right.
I have a question. You said the one is very heavy. I believe it was a foot scrub, and it has, you said Himalayan sea salt. What does a Himalayan sea salt do for one's feet?
Well, what it does is it exfoliates the skin, first of all, and then no salt, no germs. Germs cannot live in salt.
Okay.
Ooh,
Wow.
nice.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
Fungus, germs.
Me either.
So even though we're not making any medical claims whatsoever, the I guess for lack of a better understanding, the Himalayan sea salt would act as a detoxifier.
That's what
You
it
know.
sounds
Wow.
like. Exactly.
Hmm.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Amazing.
And then
Drawing
it
out
has
those impurities.
And it helps to exfoliate
the dry skin.
the dead skin of the dead skin cells on the foot. Yeah,
Yep.
it's smooth.
So exfoliator and a cleanser is what I'm hearing, and it takes the germs off
Yes, ma'am.
and kind of blocks the germs. Wow.
And then it has tea tree oil in it too that have a lot of medicinal properties as well as the oil, and that's gonna make your feet smooth,
Yeah.
smooth like butter. I actually made it for myself because I mean I really didn't wear any shoes. I really didn't like wearing shoes before, but then once the pandemic came, I really being at home, I really didn't wear shoes and my feet were getting kind of crusty.
Right, man.
Well,
Another-
are you guys going to be making? Okay, we've got the body covered. Maybe a facial scrub.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
We're working on a facial bar with the merengue.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shut the front door. Yes.
good question, Miss Peggy.
Yes,
Yes.
I'll be watching.
Because a lot of people have asked us, and of course, you know, us ourselves, but yeah, because we had one lady, she used the sugar scrub on her face.
Yeah. Will that hurt? Will
It's
it?
not really meant for the face.
No.
Right.
Yeah, it's not really meant for the
Little
face.
harsh.
So, yeah,
Right.
yeah,
Different type of different layers of skin. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Yes.
yeah.
So,
More
yeah,
tender.
my face wouldn't be able to take it. But
No,
that's
mine
what I
either.
really want to know. I'm waiting for the facial treatment. So it's
Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
hurt.
yeah. And
Excuse my head rag.
would you
I love
say?
it.
I said, excuse my head rag.
No worries, no worries. We're all just right here.
I
It's
love
all
your
good.
And Peggy, I love your pajamas. They're so cute.
Oh. Well,
Sure.
I just want you to know that I just looked up the mango moisture box and they just told me
Okay.
it's sold out.
Oh, of course.
Oh, Peg, you
Of
did.
course it is.
You didn't.
I did. I looked it up.
Okay, hold on one second. Hold on one second.
Say it isn't so.
Are you serious, Aunt Peggy?
Yes, look.
Which one?
Here it is.
Mango moisture box. The one that was $45.
She said they were.
No.
Oh, no.
Mango Madness, the one that was 25. See, it says sold out at the top.
No, she didn't have any for 25. Did you?
No.
Yeah, she did.
You did. She
Mango
did.
Madness. Mango Madness moisture box. On sale, $25. We're sorry, sold out. Oh. Well,
Okay,
that's
wait.
good though.
Okay, wait, Peggy, hold on. That was the only one that I actually never loaded, so that was my mistake.
See, I'll show you. See?
No, I know. I it looks like that was the only one that I didn't load the inventory on it.
Oh, okay. I'll check it later. I don't want to take time away. I was just
It's-
telling Trina.
Yeah, but I'm glad that you
Yeah.
did that because then I
Yeah.
wouldn't have known because I literally sat and did all the, updated all of the inventory and
That one didn't take. That's okay.
that one didn't take.
No.
Yeah.
We know it's just you.
Thank you, Aunt
Together.
Peggy.
You're
Thank
the
you, Aunt
whole
Peggy,
team.
for that. Thank you so much. That's wonderful that you did that. I just want to say a quick segue.
I did it because I was afraid of you. I was
You're
afraid
of
you.
me that I was gonna. Yeah. You know, I'm on it. I'm about to get on right now. Hold up. It's my face ID, and I'm about to do some. Yes.
Okay.
Chica.
And Peggy, refresh your browser.
All right.
Do you ever get out of the shower and your your legs feel like they're tight and they're aching for some type of moisture to go on them?
Yes.
Is that normal? Okay.
It's the water.
I drink a lot of water.
No, it's the water.
Is it the hard water?
The
Oh,
hard
is that
water.
What it is?
It's
No,
the
I have a
water
water
you-
machine. I have a water purifying
Oh
machine.
yeah, her
I
water
have a
is
special
soft.
machine. I have soft water. Okay, that's not it.
But the
Use
shower
the-
water.
Use
on
the
your-
sugar scrub, Trina.
Yeah.
Use the sugar scrub on your legs in the shower, and you'll feel that moisture when you get out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
So-
use it. I use it sparingly. I only use it like twice a week as like a special shower. So yeah, you're right. I do feel moisture when I get.
Okay.
It's all set, Jessica. It's all
Okay.
good.
It's fixed. Okay. All right.
Miss-
Gadget.
So that was a glitch? Was that a glitch?
It was a glitch because I updated all the inventory this morning and sent out email to everybody and da 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 da. So I must have missed that one and
Happens.
happens.
10 or 15 of them probably. Yeah. So.
Yeah. So it's all good. It's all
Jessica,
good.
how does Afterpay work? How does that work?
Very
Afterpay
well.
Afterpay is so easy. What you do is whenever you check out, you just click Afterpay, and then they ask for some of your information because it's like you're getting you're getting your product and you're breaking up in payments. So
Okay.
the process, I'll make it simple. The process is similar to if you did like Home Shopping Channel,
Exactly. Easy pay.
Easy
I
Pay.
do it all the time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So
And I
like,
like it.
Okay.
I like it because it'll give you a text and tell you when they're getting ready to debit your account. So that's what I really
Okay.
love about
Oh,
Apple
really?
Pay. Yes, they texted me a couple of days ahead of time and said, make sure you have your money in your account. We're getting ready to take out 27 as you agreed to. And it texted me. So that was really good for me. For
Wow.
the
But
consumer.
yeah, their website is just a little bit, makes it easy for you to shop.
yeah, yeah, and
No, I shop the website. I just pay it in full. But now that you done put all these boxes up here and you saying
Okay.
Afterpay, I'm like, wait
What
a
you
minute.
talking
Oh,
about?
I'm about to go crazy.
okay.
Works for me.
Christmas gifts, I bought it for people, but I kept it for myself. That's bad.
Yeah,
I know when
I
you
said
shop
my
it-
tenant,
no,
my tenant is
Trina,
me.
when you shop it for somebody for Christmas, you think, oh, one for her and one for me.
Okay, okay.
That's not selfish.
And what's nice about Afterpay is, as a small business, I even call us smaller than a small business. We're like a micro business in the cottage industry. So we're very, very small. So Afterpay is really wonderful for us because once you order, Afterpay pays us. So
Wow.
yeah, Afterpay pays us, so we don't have to wait until you make the 4 payments. So for us, it's pretty wonderful because then we can go out and we can buy more supplies to make more product,
Exactly.
right?
Wow.
You're not a small business.
never
You're
heard
a
of
big
that. That is
business
awesome.
that just hasn't reached every household.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Okay, thank you, Ronnie. Okay, thank
What I
you.
love the most though about it is it's interest free.
Yeah, it's interest-free.
Yes.
So everybody wins. They charge us a small fee, but for us, it's worth it because it gives us the ability to give our customers that freedom, just like QVC does, just like any other,
Home Shopping Network.
I shop with them all the time, and
Right.
that's what I do.
Me too. Me too.
Take it out of my account, I'm good.
Okay. Wow, Trina, Peggy's really quiet. She's really quiet.
Aunt Peggy. Oh, Aunt Peggy, you better stop it. Wait a minute. Let me just hurry up and get on. This is not right.
I already got
Dude,
mine.
wait.
Peggy, are you shopping? Peggy,
Yeah, that's why she's so quiet.
I see.
Oh
You
my
cheating?
God. I
Are
don't
you
even need my
cheating?
credit card. I have mine memorized.
She was so quiet. I was like, wow, she hasn't said a word.
Not a word. Oh, my
Oh
goodness.
my God. Let me get on. Hold on.
Debit card.
Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my goodness.
Let me get on Chrome. Hold on.
Oh boy, I gotta hurry before Trina gets me.
Bacon.
Okay.
Oral. Y'all go ahead
I
with the
am
business.
sitting
Y'all
here
go
with
ahead.
my
Don't mind me.
So,
wallet upstairs. Shame
so
on you,
let's.
ladies.
I have a praise report, you guys. So
Okay.
last Sunday, I celebrated my 54th birthday,
Happy
and
birthday!
my
Yes,
children,
Roddy.
they
Birthday.
got me good. They gave me a surprise. I don't know how they pulled this off, but they did. My 16 and 17-year-old gave me a surprise birthday dinner at Ruth Chris.
Ruth
Wow.
Chris.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Right,
Love,
right.
love
So
Ruth
I
Chris.
was like, my friend pretended like he was taking me out to dinner. My family and friends was all there, and they were saying how my daughter, my 16-year-old, she, my son just had to fall in step with her. She the boss. She planned this all and had been planning it since August. So my
Wow.
friends was there, some friends I hadn't seen in a while, and they were like, "Oh, Ronnie, your skin looks so beautiful."
Ooh.
So of course I keep my little 2 ounce in my purse of
Okay.
almond oil, and I popped it out, and I said, "I use this. I use this one." They're like, "What is it?" And so for about 10 minutes, I'm talking about the Nigel and Jessica Jamaican almond oil, and I'm
Wow.
telling them. I even gave a
Wow.
little demonstration, and so everybody wanted to try. I'm like, wait.
You
Y'all
got
gotta
to
use
Use
it
it
get
on
with
your
product.
own.
product.
There
You
you
got
go.
to
This is
get
where
your
it's
own.
but I'll tell you guys how you can get some. So I'm pushing everybody to the website.
That's
Yeah.
right.
And I'm
Thank
going to inbox
you.
you afterwards, Jessica, about what we talked about.
Okay, okay.
Because I'm putting it out there. So
All
I was
right.
Yeah.
telling them about the moringa oil and how I use it. I said, I don't have that with me. I said, but that gets rid of those fine lines for us middle-aged women. I love it. And so my
Zero.
daughter, that's my cheerleader
Absolutely.
quarter. She was like, yes. And mommy, she because my daughter, she has back acne. So I put it
Oh.
on her back, and she was testifying. She was my model for me. She was like, yes,
Wow.
my mommy used her oil on my back, and now I'm not ashamed to wear shirts that show my back or things like that. So it was great. It was great. So a
Wow.
couple of my friends even text me and was like, what's the name of that oil? Where do I buy it from? I said, just hold on. You can't buy it at the store. And I said, this is exclusive. This is not sold in stores. It's
That's right.
exclusive.
That's right.
Man,
Thank you.
So I
thank
was
you.
pretty happy about that I was able to walk into this surprise, and they were like, notice the difference. And they were like, you
Wow.
Wow.
look so beautiful, your skin, you have a glow. And they're joking, you're not pregnant, are you not? No,
Ah!
this glow is
Okay.
not because I'm pregnant.
Okay. Go ahead,
So I was
Ronnie.
really excited
Now,
about that.
Trina,
That's
Wow.
wonderful. That's
Peggy,
thank you,
cut it
Margaret.
out.
What did you go and do? You know what, Peggy?
Peggy just shopping
You're
away.
wrong for that. You're wrong for that. The first
Wow.
one.
we'll
Oh my
we'll
goodness.
tell Elmer all about this later.
Right, he doesn't need to know.
Wow.
Uncle Elmer, stop her, Uncle Elmer, stop her. But go ahead, Ronnie. Ronnie, that is a wonderful
Wow.
testimonial.
Yeah,
And
I
Thank
was
you.
Yeah,
so
one
Thank
key
you.
excited
one. If
because
you could pass it
when you get
along.
this age, you especially being 54, and you have 2 teenage children, you always trying to look your best, feel your
That's
best, and um, I had
I'm
my
gonna stay
children
out of this conversation.
a little later in life, and it used to bother me years ago. People would say, "Oh, are those your grandchildren?" I'm like, "Why? Is grandmothers looking younger nowadays?" But
Oh,
Great
now
grandmother.
my
Now.
kids, my kids are answer. They be like, "No, that's my mother." And isn't she lovely? Or but my kid, I used to be really self-conscious, and now not at all. I'm like, I had them later. My son at 36, my daughter at 37, but I got to do a lot of things that people didn't get to do because they had children earlier. I traveled, I did whatever I wanted to do,
Amen.
So it's great. I love them, they love me, and I'm 54, feeling like a tenacious 24.
Okay. I love it. I love it.
Those oils, that's it.
Oh, it's great. I love it, especially. I'm 66. I'll be 67, and I've known them.
Looking good, Peg.
Thanks, and I've known two little girls since they were 2 and 3 years old. So I've watched this, and this to me is so remarkable to see how they have blossomed into such powerful women, and I'm so proud of both of them. Such powerful,
Thank
you
you, Peggy. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
How do you do it? You still have your eyebrows at 67. You don't look a day over 50. Your hair is so beautiful and vibrant.
Right?
Your eyebrows are still
I'm
there.
letting the gray come in. I decided to I'm done with hair color. I'm just being me,
Okay.
you know? And that's just the way it's going to be.
Yeah.
I have to show you this, just
No one really is really paying that much attention.
this is my Jamaican doll.
Everybody's trying to live.
Oh, she's
Oh,
my God.
what happened to my screen?
Yep, and Peggy raised us. She used to do our hair. She would plait our hair, and yes,
That's cute.
she was always there for us, like a second mother.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
I
Okay,
also,
guys.
when you were little, I'm the one who pierced your ears.
You pierced our ears, you
Yeah.
did our hair, you dressed, you got our clothes. I mean, what didn't you do? You were like a second mother, honestly.
Okay.
Your mother and I are like sisters. We've been friends for 50 years.
Yep, she spanked us out of the YMCA pool whenever we
Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and have our giveaway now, ladies.
Sorry.
Going off the rails, back to the oil.
We digress.
Okay. All right. So let's see. We have Ronnie, Peggy, Trina, and Peggy. Oh, Trina's never in. So
Never in.
she's never in, but she's in. She's in other ways. Okay. Ronnie, Peggy, and Peggy. Okay. So
Okay, here we go.
we have a ball. You didn't. Did you get the
Get him,
ticket?
Jessica. Get him.
That's right, Jessica. Keep him in line.
Right. Compartmentalize this, put it in a box, and put it on a shelf. The list and the bowl. The list and the bowl. No, but
Yeah,
he
the
comes
bowl,
back
honey?
this quick.
Hey, Elmer, come here.
And he's chock full of all the information, so don't mess with my brother.
I'm not. I promise. I promise. You always turn on me, Trina.
That's right,
What's
you're
up,
my brother.
Elmer?
Hey, Uncle Albert. What's going on?
Good to see you.
Looking good.
All right.
He's got his robot.
Okay.
Okay.
Does he have earphones on?
Yeah, he's making his phone calls for Biden today.
That's right.
Okay.
Go, Biden.
I gotta get on my phone calls too.
Yeah, man.
And she's doing the giveaway.
Okay.
I got my ballot in the mail.
I've already mailed.
Yeah, I
I've already
got
put
mine,
mine
too.
in the box.
I have mine.
Okay.
I have mine. I'm putting mine in the box. Well,
Today.
We are too.
Oops.
All
Amen.
right.
I fell out.
Giveaway time. Drum roll, please.
drum roll, please.
Here's Joshy.
Hey,
Hey, Josh.
All right.
Giveaway time.
Hi, Josh.
Where's my husband? Make
Okay,
daddy
now just gonna pick.
Here we go.
Okay.
Yes.
The winner is
Oh, wait. I didn't put Peggy J and Peggy. I didn't put which Peggy was which Peggy.
oh my God. Just fix it. Put them back in.
Well,
They both get a box.
wait a minute. It's okay because I won 2 weeks ago. So make it the other Peggy.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations, Peggy. Woo!
Look, you guys, look.
You've got to remember that. You guys have two
Peggy and Peggy.
I did pay Bianca.
Hey.
We did Peggy and Peggy. So Aunt Peggy, you won. Winner, Aunt Peggy.
Time I passed mine on to someone else when I won, but I'm keeping this one.
Peggy won.
Okay.
to me. It was me, Peggy.
Oh, was
Yes.
Oh. See, it goes all the way around.
So it's gonna be right.
Oh, thank you. I'm excited. What did I win?
Yeah, what did she win?
What did she win? So you get to choose from the boxes. So let's run through the boxes one more time really quick. So you get to choose which box you want. Nigel's giving me the side eye.
No. Have the his and her box.
The his and her spa box.
Oh wow.
Okay.
That's nice box.
Beard oil.
That's the one with the beard oil.
I'll take the his and hers. That's fine.
Exactly.
The mango. I just want to make sure you're sure. We have the mango moisture box. No, just give me the other one. Okay, because I remember them now.
Okay.
Wow.
Jess, I love your head wrap too.
Mango head to toe. Thank you, Trina. Mango head to toe. Okay.
Wow, congratulations,
And
Aunt
then
Peggy.
the be kind.
Oh.
Which one is she
There's one more.
going to choose? Oh, there's one more.
This one is the.
This one is the
fall spa kit.
fall spa kit.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna do the his and her spa.
His and her spa kit.
Okay, so
Which
Yeah.
one is that one? Okay, that's
The
this
purple.
one.
Wow.
I'll tell you why.
Congratulations,
My
Peggy.
daughter's having surgery this month. Yasmin. So she'll love that.
You're gonna send it to her.
Yeah.
Aunt Peggy.
Oh, that's nice. Well, good. Congrats.
Wonderful. Wow.
I'm gonna send it to her and she's got a rough one coming up. She has it's a rough one.
Wow.
We're praying for her, Aunt Peggy. Give her
Pray for her for sure. Definitely. So I'll send you a coupon code for it, Aunt Peggy, and that way you'll be able to fill out all the information and away it'll go.
Thank you so much.
Okay?
That's really
And of course I'll put a special note in there too from us because that's my cousin. So
yeah.
yeah. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna wrap it on up. Does anybody have any more questions or anything?
No.
A quick comment. I see that the Miami Heat won last night in a clincher. It was a great game. I just want you to know that the Lakers are going to come back and beat the Miami Heat.
They are.
Look out, Florida.
Yes, they are, Trina. Yes, they are.
First time in 10 years. It's been 10 years. It's been a drought since the championship. So we're looking for the clincher Sunday night.
It's gonna happen.
Okay. We looked at each other because we don't watch any sports.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Well, I know what she's talking about.
I
We know what you're talking about, but
Yeah, but
we don't really watch any
so
sports.
we
So,
don't know. My neighbor tells me
for my
about
Lakers.
hockey too, but I don't know.
That's right,
because I
Miss
don't.
Look for my Lakers, Trina.
Yes. Thank you. That's okay.
okay,
You
we'll
guys-
be
you guys
rooting
have
for
to-
with you,
Yeah,
Trina.
right, yeah,
For
right.
sure.
I don't watch until the playoffs start, really. Honestly,
Okay.
So you're okay.
Well, okay. Well, we want to.
Enjoy everyone.
Okay, us too. We want to thank
everyone.
you too.
Oh,
Thank you. Nice to you.
Thank you.
Too.
Have a
Thank
blessed
you, Robbie.
weekend.
It's every Saturday. It's so much fun.
Bye, Josh.
I look forward
Yeah.
to it every Saturday. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
so much for
All
all the
right.
information. I learned
we
so
Yeah.
much.
You too, and hurry up with the new product.
Okay.
Be
Okay.
ready.
We want to thank everybody for being with us. Remember, we're here every single Saturday until it's just the two of us here. And we hope you have a wonderful week. We'll be busy in the workshop making up a bunch of stuff. And this week we're going to be going live a lot. So
okay.
We'll be going live a lot on our Facebook business page. So you'll be checking us out there. This week we're going to be making lip butter and body butter and yum, sugar scrub, oil. We have almonds coming. So we're going to be doing it all. So thank you for being with us. Okay. Thank you for being with us. And we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye everybody. Goodbye,
See you later.
Goodbye, goodbye, you two. Goodbye, daughter-in-law.
Bye,
And
mother-in-law.
Bye-bye.
All right,
Bye-bye.
Bye, Ronnie.